In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create and name a group chat in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're coordinating a project, planning an event, or just need a central hub for communication with your team, group chats are an invaluable tool. Let's dive into the essential steps to effortlessly set up your group chat in Microsoft Teams. First, navigate to the Microsoft Teams interface. Open your web browser and head over to the Microsoft Teams website. It's a good idea to bookmark the site for quick access anytime you need to start a chat or meeting. Once you're there, sign into your account. On the homepage, look for the Sign In button and click it. Enter your email and password associated with your Teams account. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, you may need to verify your identity with a code sent to your phone or email. After signing in, head to the Teams dashboard. On the left-hand toolbar, you'll see a chat icon that looks like a speech bubble. Click it to access your chat feature. This is where all your existing conversations live, but today we're focusing on starting fresh. Look for the new chat icon, usually represented by a pencil or plus sign. Clicking it will initiate a new conversation. If you're using the Teams app on your computer or phone, the process is similar. Just locate the chat section in the app. Now it's time to add people to your chat. In the new chat window, there's a field for participants. Start typing the names or email addresses of the people you want to add. Teams will suggest contacts from your organization as you type. Click on the correct names to add them to the chat. Keep adding as many participants as needed for your group discussion. Once everyone is added, there's just one more step, naming your group chat. You'll see a field at the top to type a name. Choose something that clearly represents the purpose or members of the chat, like marketing team projects or event planning committee. A concise and descriptive name makes it easier to identify the chat later. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've created and named a group chat in Microsoft Teams, setting the stage for streamlined communication and collaboration. Remember, you can always edit the group name or add new members as your needs evolve. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching and enjoy chatting in Teams.